The third part, dancing, I already start to talk about it, because this is actually why we are here. The hungry brains need something to bring to your dance studios. So ballroom dancing is located in this universal system, and following the law of philosophy, a ballroom dance couple is a system of oppositions balanced in harmony between genders, mentals, physical. Men and women join together to create a peace and unity, a model of balanced universe. Dance couple is an obvious demonstration of possible unity, of compromise between oppositions. We even have a great part of our business, pretty successful, called wedding dance. Almost in every country, during the wedding celebration, the young husband and wife demonstrating a dance. And people who never been even thinking about dance lessons go into the dance school, asking a choreographer to make this piece of something, sometimes very simple, sometimes more complicated. And this is a highlight of this celebration ceremony. Why? Everybody looking at them and saying like, wow, he's really fatty man. She's, taller than him twice. He's standing on the knee. She's going around. But they're doing something together, and they obviously demonstrating unity. And this is really a sign like, guys, the peace is reachable. We are in peace. Somehow, we created this understanding. There is no war between us. Dances, in fact, are ambassadors of nature on the earth to demonstrate to people that unity and peace between oppositions are reachable. Dancing world is world without war, I believe. So be proud of being a dancer and be proud of being a dance teacher. Feel and be proud that you are serving nature and then bringing the major ideas of nature to your students the most beautiful and pleasant way, through dancing.